Hello class 4. Today we will discuss about the important seasons of India in chapter 3. So please open page number 22. There are basically mainly three seasons in India, and they are summer, monsoon and winter. So today we will discuss about winter and summer. The winter season. Winter in India starts from early December and continues till the end of February. January is the coldest month. Average temperature in peninsular India is around 25 degrees centigrade, while in the northern plains it is between 10 degrees centigrade and 15 degrees centigrade. In northern India, however, there is light rainfall during winter. This is caused by the cyclonic storms which originate in the Mediterranean Sea and travel towards India. These winds are called western disturbances. They cause heavy snowfall in the higher altitudes of the Himalayas and rainfall in the plains. They often result in a cold wave in northern India. So, what it is saying? Basically, in India, winter occurs from early December and continues till February, end of February. January is the coldest month of winter. एवरेज टेम्परेचर साउथ इंडिया में और नॉर्थ इंडिया में थोड़ा डिफर होता है. एवरेज टेम्परेचर इंडियन पेनिनसुला मतलब साउथ इंडिया में रहता है 25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टू 15 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड रहता है. नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में विंटर में टेम्परेचर इतना कम होने का एक रीज़न है. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि नॉर्दर्न इंडिया एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइट रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग विंटर एंड दिस इज caused by the cyclonic storms which basically originate in Mediterranean Sea and travel towards India, and due to this heavy snowfall occurs in the Himalayan altitudes and rainfall occurs in plains. So these cyclonic storms or the winds are called western disturbances, and due to this northern India always experiences cold wave in winter. Next topic is the summer season. Summer starts from March and continues till June. The northern plains record the highest temperatures and hence it is a zone of low pressure. The Deccan Plateau is comparatively cooler due to its altitude and the influence of the sea. The hills have a pleasant climate. During this season, several local storms occur in different parts of India. The hot, dry and dusty winds called Loo blow over the northern plains. Kalbaisakhi occurs in West Bengal and Assam. Mango showers occur along coastal Kerala and Karnataka. These help in the early ripening of mangoes. So about summer season, it is saying that summer in India starts from March and continues till June. And the northern plains always record the highest temperature during summer, and this is why it is a zone of low pressure. But comparatively, Deccan Plateau is a cooler place due to its altitude, and there is an influence of the sea, and due to this the hills have a pleasant climate. During summer, some local storms occur in different parts of India, like the hot, dry and dusty winds called Loo blow over northern India. Like Kalbaisakhi occurs in West Bengal and Assam, and mango showers that occur in Kerala and Karnataka. Actually, this shower helps the mangoes to be ripened. So class 4, please go through these two seasons, the winter season and the summer season, along with this explanation. Thank you.